In this video, I'll show you how to load paper into your Epson WorkForce Pro WF-4820 or 4830. So it's very easy. The drawer where all the paper is stocked is over here. Simply put your fingers right over here where the edge is under it and pull towards you. So this is my letter size paper, plain paper, and before being able to put it inside, we need to move these blue plastic guides. Let's start with this blue guide over here. To move these, you need to pinch them. You see, every single one of them has one of these latches. So move it down until you arrive beside the paper size you want to input. So in my case, as I said, this is letter size. Over here it says LTR. So I'll just put it over here and stop it there. If you're planning to print on legal size paper, which is much longer, pinch this blue guide and pull this part of the drawer towards you to extend it. You see, it got bigger. And this time we have over here LGL for legal size. So you'll need to bring this little blue guide right beside LGL. But in my case, I don't need this extension. So again, I'll just pinch and put it back and put this where it says LTR. You may notice that there is a blue sticker here. We need to remove it. Like that. Then we need to extend this blue guide because right now the paper is not able to enter. This is mostly made for envelopes, you see. This would be an envelope size. So for regular paper, pinch over here and push it towards the side. Align your paper and simply glide it in, like that. Then we just have to close this drawer. Check the Amazon affiliate links down below if you want to get some paper for your printer. These affiliate links are supporting my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.